Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today I am going to focus on New Zealand English. Dear students, there are so many languages all over the world. People can express their feelings of mind according to their own expectations using those languages. A person cannot use so many languages according to his or her expectations because a person cannot understand or cannot speak all the languages. He or she can use only a few languages. Okay, dear students, English is an international language and it is divided into two major parts called British English and American English. However, there are some other parts, other styles, other English too, like New Zealand English. The English language used by the New Zealanders is known as New Zealand English. It is no longer used in another country. It is being used only in New Zealand. So its importance is few in the world. It is a deformed language. It is not being used in other countries. Thank you.